Hey guys, it's Angie with Forever Young Homestead, and I'm going to give you an update on the progress that we made trying to sell our homestead and trying to move to West Virginia. So we're still prepping to stage our house, get it ready for sale, and part of doing that is we need to stage our house, and to do that we have a container. Now, I could use storage units. The nearest one is about 35 minutes away, and my husband and I do not have a truck, so one-way trips are just not ideal. So for our situation, getting a storage container, that's a 20-footer. Hopefully we can store a lot of stuff that's actually down in my studio, put it in there. We can get some things from the house. We actually have a contractor who also lives off-grid. It's actually our neighbor. He's a contractor, painter, super nice guy, and he's actually going to help finish painting the 20-foot high ceilings. As you can see, we have a steep roof line. He's going to help finish the interior on that. His schedule is a little busy, but he should be here in a couple of weeks. So I thought that was really awesome. It was kind of cool because his dad grew up in the area too and remembers when this was just all open fields back in the day. So you can see we have some crazy weather here in New England. Yesterday it was full-blown mud season. Today it is almost like a freezing rain situation. So the weather gets a little crazy. There's Waffles, our pug. Waffles, gonna say hi? He's sliding on the ice. He is a funny little dog. What are you doing? Anyways, so to help us move forward with our staging to prep to sell the house, we have a storage container. We went that route instead of putting our stuff in an actual storage unit. The nearest one is about 35 minutes. My husband and I don't have a truck. It would be multiple trips. And we are moving to West Virginia, so we figured getting a storage container would be the best way to go. And we already got an estimate. It's about $4,000 to move a 20-footer from here to West Virginia, which is 14 hours away. Yes, I know I could rent some U-Hauls and do it myself for cheaper. But for me, this is the one time where I think it is worth spending the money for that convenience. Also, right now we are renting this unit. We are going to plan to buy it once we sell the house. So that is one way that we're freeing up funds, because those storage containers, at least in New England, they are not cheap. We've priced them out. So we are renting right now. We will buy it when we have the sale of the house. Then we'll have the funds to not only buy the unit, but also transport the unit. So the other project we're working on is actually replacing some tile. You can see here by the wood stove. It's just slate tile. It's been cracked over the years. So my husband is prepping to replace this. I actually have the tile saw out there. But we found out it's a 15 amp cord and we don't have a plug that will accommodate that. So my husband drove another hour back to the home improvement store to get that. Marmalade, are you helping? Yeah? You telling them? I know. Other item we're going to move into the storage container is this little sitting area, even though I'm using it for storage right now. My dad actually built this for me a couple of years ago, and I had it in my previous house that I owned. And when I moved in with Chris, we brought it here, but I mean, it does match the wood that's already here, but we're going to move it because I don't want potential buyers thinking that this is included. It does have a lot of sentimental value to me. It's actually a sitting bench. That bench lifts up and you can use that for storage. So it is a nice little unit, and we're just going to move it so it opens the space up more as well. So right now, my studio has been acting like our storage unit, but I actually don't have a lot of stuff in here. We'll probably move that weight bench out, But we may leave my set of weights here just to show that this can be an office space and workout room, multifunctional. I will tidy up my office area, obviously, but we'll get it tidied up and we'll move all of this stuff out. So not much cleaning in here that we have to do, but we will put it in the storage unit.